Hi friends, this video shows how to allow install app from unknown source and fix app not installed error. I would be showing two methods. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Method 1. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then go down. Select security and privacy. Go down. Select more security settings. Tap on install unknown apps. Here you can see list of apps. From this list, let me select one app. I am going to select Google Chrome browser. I am going to allow Google Chrome browser to download and install Android APK file from unknown source. Let me enable. Done. So now I have allowed Google Chrome browser to download and install Android APK file from internet without any error. Similarly, we can set this permission for other apps in the list. For example, let me enable it for Firefox. See, so now Firefox can download and install Android APK file from internet without any error. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2, again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Select apps. Then tap on these 3 dots on top right corner. Tap on special access. Tap on install unknown apps. So we get the same screen here. From here we can enable or disable that feature. So these are the two methods. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.